Welcome back to Gone Firing. I'm Nazim, and today we're going to talk about what makes a good travel buddy, and whether you need a travel buddy or you got a friend who's a bad travel buddy. These 6 things help you determine who you're compatible with and who can make a good travel buddy for you. Because these things can make and break friendships. And traveling's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be stress-free. It's supposed to be a great time. This is what you work so hard for all year. So you gotta make sure you go with the right people. And all right, let's get into it. Tip number 1, collaborative planning. So nobody wants to have the lion's share of the planning if everybody's gonna have fun. Everybody wanna go on vacation, but nobody wanna put the work in. So you gotta, toss ideas back and forth, do some research, find some things you wanna do. If you don't plan, don't complain. And if you're cool with not planning, then make sure you know the itinerary. Know the itinerary, don't be the, what are you doing next? Where are we going? What are we doing today? No, nobody likes that guy or girl. Know the plans, and that brings me to tip number 2. Tip number 2, be clear about what you want to get out of the vacation. If you want to sit on the beach all day, that's cool. Just let me know. If you want to go on excursions and travel the country and, eat with the locals, that's cool. Just let me know. If you want to sleep till noon and, I don't even know. I don't sleep till noon. I'm up and at 'em. But if that's what you want to do, that's cool. Just let me know. So it's like, just be upfront. I don't want to hear I wake you up at 6:30 in the morning and you roll over. Not gonna be able to do it. Tip number 3, it's okay to separate. If your plans don't always align, that's cool. Like, they don't have to. Go off for the day, do your thing. I'm gonna go do my thing, and then we meet up for dinner at 5. But you just gotta be upfront. You just gotta, transparency, communication. All those are great things. Tip number 4, stick to the plan. Going back to tip number 3, if you say meet at 5, that means meet at 5. Nobody wants to be waiting for you till 7:30, thinking you got abducted, you got arrested. Stick to the plan. If you gotta, bum rush through traffic, or if you gotta find a way to give them a signal, but you don't always have the phones and technology may not always be available in these places, so you gotta stick to the game plan. You don't want to have somebody going all over town, you see this guy? About yay tall, this big. You don't want somebody doing that. And just meet at 5. Plan say meet at 5. Meet at 5. Tip number 5, keep track of how much money you owe someone. A lot of the times when you're going through different countries and have a lot of foreign currencies, you may not have the correct amount. Don't let whoever was kind enough to let you borrow money have to run you down, try to chase for your money back. Just pay somebody back on time. Pay for the next thing, pay for the thing in the next country. Whatever you gotta do to make it even, just make sure you keep track of it and you're open, again, with the communication. Just transparency, communication might be the theme for this video. Just communicate. Let them know. Tip number 6. This might be the most important one. Save the best for last. All right. Take good pictures. I can't say this enough. It's a vacation. You're gonna look at these pictures for years to come. You're gonna want to flex on the gram. You're gonna want to show your friends, your family, show everybody how great the time was. Take a good picture of someone, and someone will take a good picture of you. And if they're not taking a good picture of you, send them this video and remind them to take a good picture of you. Like, make sure the lighting's good, make sure you got you on the good side, like wait for pedestrians to go by. Just take a good picture. Take multiple pictures, ask them if they like it, get their opinion. Just really take good pictures. Take good pictures. If you follow these 6 tips, you have the makings of somebody that people want to travel with. And that's a great thing. And if you or your friend do not have the makings of a good travel buddy, share this video with them. Do them a favor. Share it with the whole squad before the next trip. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for checking out the channel. See you next time on Gone Foreign.
Thanks for checking out the channel. And while you're here, check out some of these other videos. And don't forget to click the subscribe button below.